Hello, everyone, and welcome back to our English Learning Podcast. I'm Eva.
And I'm John. We're so happy you're here with us today.
In today's lesson, we are going to focus on something that is very important in daily life: how to talk on the phone in English.
Yes. Many students tell us that speaking on the phone is difficult. Do you know why? Because you cannot see the other person's face.
Exactly. No body language, no hand gestures, only your voice. That makes it harder to understand.
But don't worry. Today we will guide you step by step.
We will give you real examples,
We will teach you useful sentences.
and we will practice together.
Let's start very simple. Imagine you answer a phone call. What do you say?
The most basic way is just, hello?
Yes, just hello. That's fine.
But if you want to sound polite, you can say, hello, this is Eva speaking.
Or, hi, this is John. Who's calling, please?
Let's repeat together.
Repeat after me. Hello, this is John speaking.
Now your turn. Hello, this is Eva speaking.
Let's practice with some variations. I'll say them slowly, and Eva will repeat. Good morning, this is John.
Good morning, this is John.
Hi, this is John Johnson. May I speak to Sarah, please?
Hi, this is John Johnson. May I speak to Sarah, please?
See, very polite. You always say your name first.
Let's do a mini role play. John will call me.
Hello, may I speak to Ava, please?
This is Ava speaking.
Oh, hi, Ava, it's John. How are you today?
I'm doing great, thank you. How about you?
I'm fine too. Thanks for asking.
Simple, polite, natural.
Now let's list some key sentences you must know when starting a phone call. Hello, this is John speaking. May I speak to John, please? Who's calling, please? Could you hold on a moment? I'll put you through. This means I will connect your call.
Let's practice them slowly. I'll say the sentence and you repeat after me. Hello, this is Ava speaking.
May I speak to John, please?
Who's calling, please?
Could you hold on a moment?
I'll put you through.
Sometimes you don't understand the person on the phone. What should you say?
Don't panic. Just say, I'm sorry. Could you repeat that?
Or, could you speak more slowly, please?
Let's practice. I'm sorry. Could you repeat that?
One more time. Could you speak more slowly, please?
Great job. That's the basic foundation for answering and starting a phone call in English.
In the next section, we will go deeper into formal phone calls, like when you call your office or a company.
All right, welcome back. Now that we know how to start a phone call, let's talk about something very important: formal phone calls.
Yes. Formal phone calls are the calls you make to a company, an office, a school, or maybe even to your boss.
Exactly. In these calls, you must sound polite, respectful, and professional.
That means you should avoid slang. Don't say, hey, what's up, when you are calling a company.
Let's practice some useful phrases. Good morning. This is Eva from ABC Company. I'd like to speak with Mr. Smith. I'm calling to inquire about the job application. Could you please transfer me to the sales department? May I leave a message? Thank you for your help.
Let's repeat slowly. Good morning, this is John Johnson. I'd like to speak with Mr. Brown.
I'm calling to inquire about the job application.
Could you please transfer me to the sales department?
May I leave a message?
Thank you for your help. Okay, Eva, let's role play. I'll be the caller and you'll be the receptionist. Good afternoon, this is John Johnson. May I speak with the manager, please?
Good afternoon, Mr. Johnson. May I ask what this is regarding?
Yes, I'm calling about a job application I submitted last week.
All right, one moment, please. I'll transfer your call.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. See how polite and professional that sounded? Let's do another one. This time I'll be the caller. Hello, this is Eva from Global Trade Limited. Could I please speak with someone in the shipping department?
One moment, I'll connect you to the shipping department.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Please hold on. Notice again, polite, clear, short sentences.
Let's give our listeners a list of sentences they should memorize for formal calls.
Sure. Listen carefully and repeat after us. Good morning. I'm calling from... Could I please speak to Mr. or Miss? I'd like some information about... Could you repeat that, please? Thank you for your assistance.
Let's repeat together slowly.
And remember, in formal calls, tone is very important.
Yes, speak clearly, not too fast, not too slow.
Smile while you speak. Did you know that? Even on the phone, people can hear your smile.
Exactly. When you smile, your voice becomes warmer and friendlier. Okay, listeners, let's practice. Imagine you are calling a company to ask about a product. Repeat after me. Hello, this is Ava. I'd like some information about your services.
Hello, this is John. Could you connect me to the sales department, please?
Good afternoon. May I speak with the manager, please?
Wonderful. That's how you handle formal phone calls.
In the next part, we will relax and talk about informal phone calls, calling your friends or family. Welcome back, everyone. We just finished talking about formal phone calls. Now, let's relax and talk about informal phone calls.
Yes. These are the calls you make to your friends, family, or people you know well.
Exactly. In informal calls, you don't need to sound so professional. You can be friendly, casual, and simple.
For example, instead of saying, "Good morning, this is John Johnson. May I speak with Mr. Brown?" You can just say, "Hey, it's John. How are you?"
Much easier, right?
Let's give our listeners some basic, friendly phrases. Hey, it's me. What's up? Hi, how are you doing? Are you busy right now? Do you want to hang out later? Talk to you soon. Bye.
Nice and simple. Let's repeat together. Hey, it's me. What's up?
Hi, how are you doing?
Are you busy right now?
Do you want to hang out later?
Talk to you soon. Bye. Let's do a role play. I'll be the friend calling you. Hey, John, it's Eva. How's it going?
Hey, Eva, I'm good, thanks. How about you?
I'm great. Are you busy right now?
Not really, just relaxing. What's up?
Do you want to grab a coffee later?
Sure, that sounds nice. What time?
Around 5 p.m.
Perfect. See you then.
Awesome. Bye.
See, that was short, simple, and very natural. Now let's try with family. Ava, you be the daughter calling her mom.
Hi, Mom. It's Eva. How are you today?
Hi, sweetie. I'm good, thank you. How's school?
It's going well. I just finished a big project.
That's wonderful. I'm proud of you.
Thanks, Mom. I just wanted to check in. I'll come visit this weekend.
Great. Looking forward to it. Take care, dear.
You too. Bye. Family calls are warm and full of love.
Let's give our listeners a little list to practice.
Female. Eva. Good idea. Repeat after us. Hey, what are you doing? Want to hang out later? Can I call you back? Let's meet tomorrow. Okay, bye for now.
Let's say them slowly again.
Let me tell you a quick story. Yesterday, I called my best friend. I said, "Hey, it's me." "What's up?" She said, "Not much, just watching TV." Then I asked, "Do you want to go shopping tomorrow?" And she said, "Sure, that sounds fun."
Male, John. That's perfect. Informal calls are usually short and cheerful. Okay, listeners. Now it's your turn. Pretend you are calling your best friend. Say after me, "Hey, it's me. How's it going?"
Are you free later? Do you want to meet up?
Okay, talk soon. Bye.
That's it. Informal calls are about being friendly, relaxed, and natural.
Yes. In the next part, we'll talk about common mistakes people make on the phone and how to avoid them. Okay, Eva, let's be honest. When people speak English on the phone, they often make mistakes.
Yes, and that's normal. We're here to help you avoid them.
Mistake number 1, speaking too softly.
Yes, on the phone, people can't see your face, so if you speak quietly, they might not hear you.
The solution? Speak clearly and a little louder than usual.
Mistake number 2, saying what, again and again.
Laughs. Right. Instead, you can politely say, "Sorry, I didn't catch that. Could you repeat it, please?"
Mistake number 3, forgetting to introduce yourself.
Yes, like just saying hello without telling your name.
Exactly. Always say, "Hi, this is Eva," or "Hello, it's John."
Mistake number 4, ending the call too suddenly.
Yes, some people just hang up without saying goodbye. That can sound rude.
Always finish with something polite like, "Okay, talk to you soon. Bye."
Okay, listeners, repeat after us the correct way.
Hi, this is John. May I speak with John?
Sorry, I didn't catch that. Could you repeat it, please?
Thanks for calling. Talk to you soon. Bye.
Let's do a quick recap of everything we learned today. Part 1. We talked about phone call basics, like answering with "Hello, this is." Part 2. We practiced formal phone calls, polite, professional, business style. Part 3. We learned informal calls with friends and family. Part 4. Now, we just discussed common mistakes and how to avoid them.
If you practice these, your phone English will become more natural, confident, and easy.
Before we go, we have a challenge for you.
Yes. Take your phone today and call one friend or family member.
Try using at least 3 new sentences you learned in this episode.
For example, "Hey, it's me. How are you doing?" Or, "Sorry, I didn't catch that. Could you repeat it, please?
Do this once a day, and in just a few weeks, you'll be a phone call pro.
That's all for today's episode of English with Eva and John.
Thank you for listening. We had so much fun teaching you.
Don't forget to practice. The more you speak, the better you get.
See you next time, and happy talking. Bye.